Hey guys, how are you? So welcome to our channel. Today we will come with a new video. So you can see so many developers are struggling with OTP auth. So all of us know Firebase provides simple OTP ways auth, and we are using constantly. And but people like AWS are struggling because AWS does not support OTP auth because they are giving us a default or auth system. They are like a email and password. So I came up with the solution that AWS support OTP auth solution, same like as a Firebase. For that we need to write some custom Lambda functions to trigger that OTP auth. So without wasting a time, let's start this video. So before starting the video, what we are building, I need to show you some demo. So you can see there are one input where we need to enter the phone number. So I am entering my phone number, and I get the OTP. So wait. So I get the OTP. So OTP is like 309861. So you can see we successfully logged in with the mobile number, and we give the two buttons for one for I am sign in and second one is like sign out. So if you copy this link and browse in second one, so you can see like I am already signed in, and if you click on sign out, so you now sign out from the auth, and if you refresh this browser, so you can see you are not logged in. So that is we are building in this video. Before starting this video, I want to show you some flow so you can see when user enter the phone number, so we have 4 Lambda functions. We are building a 4 Lambda functions. So you can see like sign in. So first when user come, so Cognito, our first Lambda function check the user is already signed in or not. If not signed in, then user will enter the phone number, and after entering the phone number, Cognito will verify like they are already added in Cognito user pool or not. If not, they will add into they will call the sign up functions where we send the verification OTP, and after the user will verify this OTP, they will automatically sign into browser, and user will automatically add it into Cognito. And second one, I want to show you flow of what these auth we need to create a 4 functions now. So how these 4 functions will behave. So before starting this video, I want to overview the solution, how we using these Lambda functions. So when we user get the pre-sign up login page where user enter the mobile number, and which is sent to Amazon Cognito user pool, and the user pool calls define auth challenge Lambda function. This Lambda function determines which custom challenge needs to created. Then third step is like user pool calls the create auth challenge Lambda function. This Lambda function generate the secret login code, or the Amazon SNS service will use to send the verification code. The user then next step is like user retrieves the secret login code from the mobile and enters into custom sign-in page, and which sent to user pool. Then next step is like user will call the verification and auth challenge to verify that code, and that code is correct or not. And after entering the verification code, the user will call the define auth challenge Lambda function. This Lambda function verifies that challenge has been successfully, and if answered successfully, then no further challenge is needed. and it includes the session tokens true in its response to user pool, and then user pool now consider the user to be authenticated and send the user valid JSON GWT token. So this overall overview of these Lambda functions. Now you understand these what these lambdas are doing, and if you want to read more about, I will provide link of AWS official. You can go through and read about more. So without wasting a time, now we need to start our demo. So let's start this video. So we have simple React app where I imported some React Bootstrap, and created some simple inputs like for phone number and some buttons. So if I run this app, so you can see what I created. So npm start. So you can see we created like some simple text and 2 inputs for like one phone number and second for your output, and 2 buttons are for sign out and I am sign in. So this is simple form we created. So now we need to add the Amplify in this. So we need to go to our main Amplify documents. So just go to Google and search Amplify docs, and you can follow from here all commands. So just let's start. So first we need to config the Amplify. So I already configured Amplify. If you can go this official website and follow these steps. Here you can create one user for where you can give the access like admin access. So we can use these services like Cognito and all these things. So after completing these steps, we need to go second, like setup of a full stack. So here, after doing the Amplify configurations, we need to run this command amplify init. So just copy this command and run in this terminal. So I open one new terminal. Just open new terminal and run this command. So just give the app name. So I am giving like demo 9696, simple app name. So we have no, like they created a project information like the environment, the visual VS Code, JavaScript, React. So if you want to change, you can. So I am not changing because all things are good, right? So click right no, and environment dev, VS Code, JavaScript, React, path, build. So all things are done. Now just AWS profile, go to AWS profile and choose which profile you chosen. So I choose this already created AWS config, Amplify config. So you need to choose. So I'll what you created in AWS config. So I created this one. Now you can see our AWS Amplify project is now start creating, and AWS created one cloud template, and it will take some time. So you can see our Amplify is now completed. So if you run this command amplify status, so you can see current environment is there, and some we don't have any resources, all these things. And if you go to your AWS account and just run this, so you can see our demo 9696 Amplify is now project is created. And now we need to add the auth. So for that, just write this command amplify add auth, and choose the third option, manual configuration, because we are using mobile OTP like passwordless authentication. So for that we need to do manually all these things. So just choose manual configuration and choose this first option, user sign up and sign in. Just keep the project name, so demo 9696. So identity pool, so give name that demo 9696. And if you want no, so third party authorization we don't want, so username demo 9696. So this is like name for your user pool, so give some unique user pool name. So here we need to like how do you want users to able to sign in, so we need to choose the username. And there again they are asking, do you want to add user pool groups, so we don't want. Then again they are asking, do you want to add admin queries, no. Multi-factor authorization we don't want. And just this one, in email based user registration and forward password, we need to disable and use SMS and OTP. Verification, okay, no. And just deselect this one and select phone number for like what attributes are required for signing up. So phone number we are choosing. After that 30 days, if non-user attributes can read, right? Yes. So just deselect email number and select phone number, and just deselect this one for writing, and don't select anything because phone number we already selected. Now we need to select this custom auth challenge flow and enter. Do you want auth? No. So configuration or Cognito, yeah, we want, so because we need to give the custom codes to these Lambda functions, so just select put yes. So we already have create auth challenge, define auth challenge, verify auth challenge. Just select this pre-sign up auth challenge, and you can see like 4 Lambda functions are there. Just enter. Here we need to select this custom auth challenge, okay. Second custom auth challenge, pre-sign up, create your own module. Here we need to select custom auth challenge code folding, all okay. And now waits for some time. Now they are asking, do you want to edit your boilerplate create challenge? Yes, we want. Just select this one, VS Code. So we need to edit this boilerplate create auth challenge. So I already have a Lambda functions. Just go this boilerplates, and first one is this one. So just edit text. I will provide this code in description. Just copy this code and paste here. Save. And we need to edit this. Now we need to edit the boilerplate for CloudFormation. We need to add SNS for sending the text message. So just go to this demo create auth template and line number 157 and just paste this code and save. Okay, now go to next, continue. Yes, we want VS Code. So I just added this code. Go to there and edit this define auth challenge. Open with text editor. This is one define auth challenge. Just copy this one, save and click continue. Third function, Lambda function, is this is custom auth challenge. So just go there and custom auth challenge. copy this code and save, click enter, continue. Fourth lambda function for verification or challenge, so just go there and click on this boilerplate text editor, verification or challenge, copy this code, yeah, okay. And one thing is we need to edit this, okay, so we can do later, just copy. So all these are things are good. Now just cancels all these things. Now we added one more function, so just go to Amplify Auth functions and click on this first function and go to srg and index dot. So here we need to edit this function also, index dot. So just go there and copy this function. So we need to paste this function code here and just save. We need to do all with the other functions, so crg index dot, same code, paste in all 4 functions. Save fourth one, crg index dot js, paste there and save. Now third one, fourth function, just copy here and paste. Okay, so all things are done. So now we need to go to terminal and just amplify status. So they will show you how we added some. So you can see we added 4 lambda function and 1 auth. So now we need to push this amplify. So just run amplify push. Yes, so it will take some time to pushing into cloud AWS. So now our Amplify cloud formation template is completed, and now our backend is now pushed in AWS. So just you go and search. If you go to so if you refresh this one, so you can see functions and auth are added in this Amplify. And if you go to Cognito, Cognito, and open this in new tab and go to manage users. So you can see demo 9696 created user pool is now created. So now we need to add this in code. So first we need to create 4 key functions. So just create 4 key function like constant, sign out, so these 4 key constant functions like constant, sign in, so if copy this function, paste and just change the names. Second one is verify OTP. Fourth one is verify auth. Auth. So these 4 key functions are there. Before this we need to import something like Amplify. So just go to official website and you can see and if you scroll down, so we need to import these things. So just copy there, copy these things and import here. and we need to import auth also. So just so we need to write these 4 key functions, and I will write the code in fast forward. After the completing these 4 functions, I will explain what these functions are doing. Now we completed our code. You can see these all code are completed. Now I will explain what I have done. So first we declare the global variables, like 5 global variables, where we passing the message like if a user is not signed in, user is signed in or sign out, waiting for OTP and verify the numbers. So these are constant variables like strings. Then after our main app is started, so where we declare the state variables, one for like set a message like a welcome to demo, second one is user, and third one is like for OTP, and fourth one is session, and fifth one is for numbers like number attributes. And after that we have use effect like verify auth, so you can use this one for moving from one page to another if user is logged in or not. So you can see there are 4 key functions. So first one function is for sign up, where we giving an attribute for phone number. So user will come and put the phone number, they will get the OTP. And second function will like verify OTP. So like after entering the phone number, user will like this, you can see send custom auth custom challenge answer. So the Cognito-user-pool will send the OTP to user, and we will verify the OTP. And third function is like verify auth. This function will check like user already are signed in or not. So you can see the current authenticated user. And fourth function is like sign out. So user will like if user is signed in, so we need to give the if user want to sign out, they can use this function. So after the like after clicking on a sign out button, they will sign out from the browser. So if you see in return function, so like first we already see this, like we are using logo, all these things. So if user is not signed in, we give the one phone number input and one button for get OTP. After entering the phone number, the OTP of clicking on OTP button, they get the one more screen where the verification OTP will come and enter the verification OTP, and you can see the on the change set OTP. So after verifying the OTP, they will go to custom message like you already are logged in, you are logged in successfully. And then in last we provided 2 buttons, where one button is for sign out, so user can sign out from the browser, and the first one is like I am signed in, so user can check I am already signed in or not. So this is full code of like for login. So for the now we need to run this and check the it's working or not. So just run this app. So it's taking some time. Okay, so you can see our app is you are not logged in. You can see you are not logged in. So this function is checking the user is already logged in or not. So you can see verify auth. So it's are checking user is logged in or not. So if a user is not logged in, the custom message is sending like you are not logged. So just give the phone number with the code 9696410205. Click on send OTP. Now check my phone if I got the OTP or not. So I got the OTP. So OTP is like 012563, and just confirm. So you can see you are logged in successfully. And if you go to user pool, we all before you see there 0 user pool, and if you refresh this one, okay, so you are logged in. Just go to Cognito user pool and demo 9696. So you can see one user is added. So you can see my number is now added. So if you if you copy this one and paste in this one, you see you already logged in. And if you go to, if you want to inspect and go to application local storage, so all details are stored in your local storage. And now if you want to sign out, you can click on sign out button. Now you can see we all sign out from that. So that is this tutorial is completed. And if you like this video, please like and share this video, and thank you so much.